That is a mighty fine machine. We're using that at the end of the day, so stay tuned for that. Let's hop to it. Looks like we got some new tenants. Rent $750. Good morning, everybody. We're back out. It's 11 job. I probably can't say that. I got the fluids checked in the machine. Got that running, getting warmed up. Let's see if I got a charged battery. No. Yes. That's all done. Looking pretty darn good. Well, thought of a good idea of where to put this gravel. It would make more sense to put it in this driveway. Yeah, and then everybody can get the job done. We'll just leave the driveway flat so I can backfill that trench, that sewer trench, whenever it comes. This is the trench we gotta, I don't know if you guys can see that. See that power conduit right there? That trench we gotta when we backfill it, we gotta compact it. I bought the big whacker, so it'll compact like 3 foot. That's like a 3 foot trench, so yeah, we're pretty golden there. So yeah. That's all track packed in. That worked out good. Front patio's all done too. Now it's just a hurry up and wait game. I guess we can get some of this dirt moved around all there. I don't know what we're gonna do about all that, but maybe get some dirt here, get it prettied up, maybe pretty up back there, make us at least look busy, you know what I mean? It would start raining when I took my sweatshirt off. We're gonna move all this dirt, and this is property pins here in the front. And this kind of goes straight through the machine over there. Them stakes right there is the property pin. Oh, stay up there. Thing keeps falling down on me. We needed that rain. Yes, Oregon's in a drought. Something about we got 2-day or a 2 days full of treated water stored up, and the reservoir has about 120 days of obviously untreated water saved up. So we got to get rain. Figure out how that driveway is going to look, and then we'll handle that later. Oh, here comes Johnathan. Give me more plans. You want to give me more work?
This is the one that the machine is on.
Okay. Or is to the next of the left of the machine, you mean?
Yeah, well, the machine's actually on it, but yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, they parked it right next to it.
Okay. For free. Lot 23.
Hey, if you want lunch today, I'm fine.
That would be perfect. Thank you. What are you going to get? Taco Bell or what? That works for me. Thank you. See what we're doing here? Has ever tried to grade sticky clay? It sucks. But we're just gonna sit you guys up outside and time lapse some music on that. But again, it is raining. We got all of our dirt moved over there. It's not to grade, but it's out of shape. That fat in between there, so when they're done using all that wood, I can just use that fat stuff and fill in the hole. See that guy right there? He's coming around. There he is. That means food's here.
Flavor you like.
Here's a flavor. Oh, look at you.
Oh, we got red.
You're a good guy, no matter what Nick says about you, you know? Oh, what do we got here? Oh yeah, look at that. Got over here, getting this all prettied up from what Steve backfilled the other day. Just get that little spot right there, then probably hop in the 312 right there. I don't have the laser with me today, so doing the actual dig out probably won't happen, but we're gonna get the grass scraped off, the approach dug out, so we can get rock in there. Got all done over here. So starting from property line there, it's not perfect, especially because this wood's in the way. Pretty hard to grate sticky clay when all it does is just stick to the bucket. gets kind of frustrating after a while. So you just use the blade and kind of spread it out. It's all clumpy, but when it dries, at least it's got a shape. You know, it's got the shape, it's got the flow. Everything flows out to this corner. Everything flows out. Looking good. We'll go hop in the 312. Get started scraping that grass off, digging out the approach, depending on if we have locates for that or not. There we go. Not bad at all. We got our locate, so it looks like we do. Just a little washed out over here though. The machine's basically sitting right on top of the gas line. Over here on this one, they have it washed out, so kind of know where the gas is. It swoops around this, goes that. Let's check on the other side. There's yellow paint right there. Yeah, so this is kind of the general area that our gas line is. Looks like it's going straight that way, so cool. For those of you that are new here, this is our Cat 312E. I don't know what the L stands for. It's the 2014 or 2016 one. It's got the trimble. I don't know how many hours this thing has on it. 4650. 4,650 hours. Yeah, we'll start digging this out. Let's get a little clearer. It's a little dirty. Yeah, sidewalks coming out. Sidewalk goes from the property line right out there, 6 foot over. Right there, the right side of my bucket is mountain grade. So that. Property line over here, property pin I should say. It's right there. It's in between the two water boxes. It's usually out here where usually it's at, in between the two water boxes right there. Kind of nipped it. I think there's a yellow cap in there somewhere. I'll search for it. But so if this is going all the way that way to about that storm marker right there, all that dirt is got to be flopped over here. But I'm gonna come through, scrape all this grass out. Already got all that all cleared out. So, and then after that, since I don't have the laser, that's probably gonna be it for us. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. If you're new here and haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below, help the channel out. There's a whole slew of things down below. You know, share, comment. Hit that notification bell so you can see whenever I upload a video. So, until next time, friends.